Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As always, today I have created a video for you on how to solve game issues. So let's see what game fix I've got for you. In this video I show you how to fix 0xc00007b error in World at War II. I decided to create this video to provide a proper solution for this problem. Let's figure out how to fix 0xc00007b error in Call of Duty World at War II. First you need to open your web browser and type Google search bar, AIO runtime. Now choose this website. I give you this website link in description below. Now click Direct Download. Now showed you download this software into your computer. Download after, run this app. Now click Install button. Install finished. Now run the game. Now you can see this problem is fixed. Now launching World at War II without any errors. I hope this method really worked for you. Is this video helped you fixed your problem? Please leave like, comment and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks to you watching this video. And see you next time.